Welcome, here I've got POCO X3 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera leveler at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner. By tapping on this button we get access to more options we can manage, and one of this is the straight and here, so this is our leveler. By tapping on this we can turn it on and turn it off like that. This is how it works. As you can see, the yellow color suggests us that this is turned on, and when we take a look at the camera preview we can see this line. So this is this leveler, and this is useful when we want to keep our photographic topic straight at the picture. As you can see, this is how it works here. And of course, when we don't need this, we go back to the settings in the right corner, tap on the straighten once again. So for now this is turned off and this line has gone. So this is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.